TypeError Ajax post, Flask Python. Just starting out with Flask and Python. I have a simple form that does an Ajax post using the jQuery Ajax form library. It goes to a function on the Python side and adds a user to a MongoDB database. It then returns a true or false. Upon returning the boolean, I get this error. Type error, bool object is not iterable. Most recent traceback. Python side. JavaScript. Create _ user function.
Try returning. Check out the docs, this URL. I suspect create _ user is returning a bool type which has no dictionary representation.
If you want to support the channel, please subscribe.